Understanding headphones. Tune into English. Hello, dear learners. Today, we'll dive into the world of technology and everyday items to understand a very common term: headphones. By the end of this video, you'll know what they are and how to use the term in your daily conversations. Headphones are a pair of small loudspeakers that you wear over or inside your ears. They allow you to listen to music, podcasts, or any audio without disturbing people around you. Imagine you're on a busy train and want to enjoy your favorite song. Instead of playing the music out loud, you'd use headphones to keep the sound to yourself. There are several types of headphones, and here are the three most common ones. 1. Over-ear headphones. These are large headphones that cover your entire ear. They're often used by music professionals and offer the best sound isolation. 2. On-ear headphones. These sit on top of your ears without fully covering them. They're usually smaller than over-ear headphones and are portable. 3. In-ear headphones or earbuds. These are tiny earpieces that fit inside your ears. They're the most portable and are popular for use during workouts or daily commutes. Now that you know what headphones are, let's see how you can use the term in sentences. 1. I bought new headphones for my morning jog. 2. Could you please lower the volume? I forgot my headphones at home. 3. These headphones have amazing sound quality. Sometimes, people use different words or terms to describe headphones. Here are some synonyms. 1. Earpieces. 2. Earphones. 3. Cans. This is a slang term, so it's more informal. There you have it. Now you know all about headphones, their types, and how to use the term in your daily English conversations. We hope this video was enlightening. Keep tuning in for more English language insights. Happy learning!